What's your name?
Ethan.
Did you kill those girls?
No.
So you didn't choke somebody?
No.
Let me finish the question. You didn't choke that girl and drag her out of the room.
Okay, I need you, character A, to be in the center a little bit over here.
Okay.
And you've been cut off in here? Okay. Okay, say your name and I will count 1, 2, 3.
Okay, hi, I'm Bianca and I'm playing character A. Or actor A, sorry.
Hello, my name is Kristen Montañez and I will be actor 2? No,
Actor B.
Actor B, sorry.
Remember.
That's okay. It's okay.
You next.
My name is Adeline and I'm actor C.
Go.
Oh, all of us?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Figure it out.
No, I hate that teacher.
Yeah, and then the homework you never understand it. Like,
Your house is so big.
oh, it is.
Answer the question. Did you choke her and drag her out of the room or no?
No.
Oh, it's locked.
It's locked.
Yeah, look.
Is your grandma not home?
She always leaves the door open for me.
Here, I'll check upstairs.
Did you call her?
That's not what we heard. So I'm gonna give you one more chance to tell the truth.
The bird this. It's not me.
Who is the bird?
I don't know.
Mama! Open the door!
You don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, Ethan, I'm gonna need you to elaborate. Who is the bird?
Mama, does she have a phone? Maybe we could call her.
You guys, come on, we need to be serious about this. This is about the project.
We are.
Can you give me an explanation? What happened?
You totally not serious about this.
Oh.
This is my grade. I'm gonna do all of this for my grade. You don't.
Okay, can we start over?
Maybe you gotta chill a little bit, honestly. Like,
No, it's
you gotta
fine.
calm down.
It's
no.
fine, Crystal, it's fine.
No.
You gotta waste my.
Ethan?
What's so funny? What's so funny? Like, I don't have time for this.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry. Like, I've been
I
waiting
wasn't laughing.
You are. Like, we have recording on right now.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry. Can we just start over? I'm sorry.
I need time, like. Okay, I will get you guys, like, a 5-minute break. Go anywhere you need to be. And back here, right after 5 minutes.
I'm gonna use the bathroom. Are you using the bathroom? Okay, we'll be back. We're gonna use the bathroom. We'll be back.
Use the restroom.
We'll be right back. Chill.
Like, yeah, it's fine.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry about that. I don't know why they're being like that.
Ethan?
What are you doing? Do something.
Okay, let me just go over my lines. Hello? Grandma, are you there?
Grandma, it's me. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door, Grandma. It's me. Grandma, I'm here.
Just open the door.
Do you have anything else to say? Are you done? What happened in that room, Ethan? back from the bathroom.
Hello.
What?
What are you doing?
Why are you so defensive? We are literally back to work.
I think one of the girls go out there and get you guys soon.
Sir, would you like some water? Are you okay?
Yes.
You want some water?
Yes.
Yes, you want water.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go check.
Go check on her.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Can you let me know what time were you guys rehearsing at? What time do you normally rehearse your show, your scene?
Around 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock, okay. And what are the actors' names that are in the show?
Actor B, actor A, the bird.
The Bird.
The bird.
Okay, so who is this bird character? What does the bird character do?
What the fuck?
This isn't funny. You killed somebody.
I didn't kill anyone.
You didn't kill anybody.
I didn't kill anyone.
You didn't kill anybody?
I didn't kill anyone.
All right, Ethan.
I told you I didn't kill anyone!
I'm gonna give you one more chance to tell the truth.
Fuck you!
All right. I can tell you're mad, so we're gonna take a break. I'm gonna get you some water. When you're ready, go ahead.
Did you kill them? No, I didn't. I didn't kill anyone. It was not me. No, you did. You fucking killed him. You did. You a monster.